In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a fitness tracking dashboard in Notion. Open Notion and make sure you're on your main workspace dashboard. We'll be building a new page that pulls in your workout data and turns it into a clean, useful fitness dashboard you can check anytime. First, look over to the left sidebar and click on your workout log page. This is important because we want to confirm the workout database already exists and is available to connect to the dashboard. Once you've opened it and know it's there, go back to the left sidebar, click New Page, and create a fresh page called Fitness Dashboard. Now that the new page is open, let's make it look better right away. At the top of the page, add a cover image. You can choose one from Notion's built-in options, upload your own, or use the generated option if you want something more tailored to a fitness theme. Pick whichever style fits the look you want, because this page is going to be something you return to often. Next, click below the title area. Type /heading 2 and select heading 2. Name this section Recent Workouts. This will be the first area of your dashboard, and it's where you'll see your latest training activity. Press Enter, then type /linked and choose Linked View of Database. Notion will ask you which database to connect. Search for Workout Log and select it. This creates a connected view of your existing workout database without duplicating the data, which means any updates you make in one place will reflect here too. Once the linked database appears, go to the top right area of that database view and click Filter. Then choose Add a Filter. For the property, select Date. Set the condition to Is Within, then choose Past Week. Now this section only shows workouts from the last 7 days, which makes it perfect for quickly reviewing your recent consistency and training volume. After that, click below the table so you can add the next section. Type /heading 2 again, select heading 2, and title this section Workouts by Muscle Group. This part of the dashboard will help you visualize what areas you've been training the most. Press Enter, type /chart and choose Vertical Bar Chart. When prompted for the data source, search for Workout Log and select it. Once the chart appears, click the settings icon in the top right corner of the chart. In the chart settings, set the x-axis to muscle group. Then make sure the y-axis is set to count. This will show how many workout entries are associated with each muscle group, giving you a simple visual breakdown of your training focus. Now let's add one more useful view. Click below the chart, type /heading 2, and name this section Workout Calendar. Press Enter, then type /linked and once again choose Linked View of Database. Select Workout Log as the source. When the new database view appears, click the View Name drop-down in the top left corner of that block. Choose Add a View, then select Calendar. Make sure the calendar is using the Date property. Once that's set, you'll have a calendar-based view of your workouts, which makes it much easier to spot patterns, missed days, and how regularly you've been training over time. At this point, the main parts of the dashboard are complete, and now it's all about layout. Hover to the left side of any block until you see the 6-dot drag handle. You can click and drag blocks to rearrange them in whatever order makes the most sense to you. If you want a cleaner dashboard design, you can also create columns. To do that, drag one block toward the far right edge of another block until you see a blue vertical line appear. Then release it. Notion will place those blocks side by side in columns. For example, you might keep recent workouts on the left and the chart on the right, with the calendar underneath. Play around with the layout until it feels balanced and easy to scan. Once everything is arranged, your fitness dashboard will sit in your workspace and act as a central place to review your workouts. You'll have a recent activity section, a muscle group chart, and a calendar view, all connected to your workout log. You've now built a functional fitness tracking dashboard in Notion. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. From here, you can keep customizing it with icons, different views, or extra sections if you want. But the core setup is already done and ready to use. That's it for this tutorial, and now you can go ahead and start tracking your fitness progress more clearly inside Notion. Congratulations, you successfully built your fitness tracking dashboard.